Good morning from the Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm Janine from Bucation, an application on your favorite social media channel. Today we're here at the Marriott San Juan Resort and I'm going to give you a brief tour of our guest room. We are in room 1012, so let's check it out. How did you enjoy your stay here at the Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino?
You lost my reading.
Aside from that unfortunate mishap.
It's good. I wish we would have had more time here.
Yeah, me too. There's so much to do here, and it's such a great location with so many things nearby.
Yeah.
But the room is really nice, you know, spacious, clean.
Yeah.
The bathroom is large. It does only have one sink, but there is plenty of counter space for us to work. The mirror is backlit, so it's great for getting ready in the morning. Hi. You also have a small magnifying mirror here if you want to shave or do your makeup. The shower, of course, is the standard Marriott shower with a sliding door, handheld shower, and regular shower head. And then there is a fan and a light, and then this door closes. It is not a barn door like some more recent Marriotts, which is nice. And then immediately to the right is a stand-up mirror that is barn door slider style. And what I love is when you open it, the light turns on. When you close it, the light turns off. Complimentary robes, an iron, hangers, plenty of hangers, and then there's shelves down there to put your shoes. So we'll close that. Over here we have more shelving, as well as a pull-out shelf that houses a safe. We fit both laptops in there, which was really handy. And then we just have more shelving and drawer space. There's the complimentary hair dryer and another drawer. And then over here, we have the bedroom with our beautiful balcony view. We have an oceanfront view. There is a nice couch here to lay on with a work table. And of course, you have a big television, an instant coffee maker, a refrigerator, which is really nice. Lots of USB plugs everywhere. There's two here. There's also two by the bed. Yeah, definitely being on the beach, waking up to the sounds of the ocean, the views.
Yeah.
Then you have our beautiful oversized balcony. I mean, this is just gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, we spent quite a bit of time out by the beach, and like I said, it's nice them putting the beach chairs out and doing everything for you.
Are they working hard setting up the chairs? They have all the umbrellas in. Now they got to get the chairs in. Yeah, you don't have to do anything. It's wonderful. And like I said, there's just so much nearby. And the beach is clean. It's dog friendly. You know, there's lots of kids and families, and just you can walk for a while, you know, one direction or the other. It's just so nice. It reminds me a lot of Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood Beach. I had fun watching the ships go by and then going on Ship Tracker and seeing, you know, oh, is that a cruise ship? Is that a tanker? Is that a yacht? You know, what is that?
way out there where the waves are breaking, way out there.
Oh no, I can't
kind of see him.
that. You mean all the way out there, yeah.
Yeah, to the left of where those waves are breaking, that's where he is.
Yeah.
Like I'm like, what is that out there?
And planes, lots and lots of planes. This is quite a busy area for air traffic. So unfortunately we couldn't get you guys any drone footage because there is 3 airports here. But it is absolutely beautiful here. And like I said, it's just so centrally located. They have a fitness center, they have a spa. We didn't get to check out either of those while we were here due to our short visit. But also, you know, they have the nice restaurant downstairs, the bar, lots of outdoor seating, and the swim up pool bar was really cool. Thank you so much to Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino for hosting us. We had a fantastic time here, and we highly recommend if you're looking for somewhere to stay in San Juan that you check out the Marriott San Juan Resort and Stellaris Casino. So thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.